Okay, I'm going to start the camera now. And I won't be, maybe I will, maybe I won't, but I don't want to talk too much going through the intersection. Everybody will think I'm just like crazy, right? Guy's yelling on his bicycle. I saw a guy yelling at his iPad in the park the other day. There we go. So, we're going straight ahead. But see here, pretty well controlled intersection. And pretty pedestrian friendly, in my opinion. Speed's under control. So we're gonna walk across this intersection and then we're gonna wait for the next light to remount, and then we're gonna ride down the bicycle lane on the side of Lougheed Highway. And we're only gonna do about 2 kilometers, and then we're gonna make I gotta stop at a pub and have a pee. So this is kind of my regular pit stop up here. And no, I'm not gonna take the camera in. Okay. See that? Look at that. Isn't that nice? Well controlled. Everything's well controlled around here. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Look at that traffic. It's all under control. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to dismount and then I'll get back into traffic. Well, not necessarily in the traffic. We will be taking this lane, but you'll see what's going on. Next clip.